This guy's going for a walk. I don't know why, but but we're walking up, and this is anchovy. See the sign? Anchovy. Not the stuff that you put on your pizza. No, for real, Daddy. What are you going up the road for? To look on a job? What is this, a car wash?
Yep.
See, guys, I know Jamaica. I know this place. You know, I've lived here like all my life. 26 years. And that's where the high school is, Anchovy High. That's where Kiana went. Daddy, that's where you went, no? But it didn't look like that.
Anchovy Junior Secondary.
Anchovy Junior Secondary. So you know he's kind of like up there in height, not age. Huh? I said you're kind of up there in heights because when you went there it was Anchovy Junior High or junior school, and now it's Anchovy High. You guys, it's just been raining all day, every day since I got here. Like,
What's going on?
honestly, like, what is going on? This is where my friend Soupy lives. There is Soupy cutting his yard. Soupy! He can't even hear me. Soupy! Oi!
Yes, man.
Oh, you guys can't even really see.
Hey,
Oh,
there's the Aki.
there's the Aki. There's the Aki.
Today.
Oh, there you see it now. Aki.
Aki are sweet, then mash up, they're tough and nice.
Daddy knows what I like. Mm-hmm.
Or the only Aki we see in Anchovy right now, that one.
The one now. See, because you know, roll up in your youth. As you put them up there, so. You sell
Okay, I sell out.
yeah, bills are those, me sell it roll it. Can't make it there on the rat now, man, a real time. Eh?
All my life.
So guys, these flower pots are actually old tires that are turned inside out. Isn't this so cool? That's so creative. Now I want to go home and do it.
Oh, please.
I swear, just get some old tires and make them into flower pots. What do you mean, oh please?
It's not as easy as you see.
Oh, it's easy for. Hi guys, so I'm driving to my sister's house right now. Ooh, as you can see, driving to my sister's in the rain. And there seems to be so much traffic. Like, yeah, I'm in a jacket, it's hella cold. My dad's car has no gas in it. So ask me how I'm going, where I'm going with no gas in my car, okay? Okay. And then I drive on this at Igloo, not this hill, but this road in friggin' Anchovy, where if it's slippery and it's sliding, it will take you. You understand? If you go around the corner too fast, you can't slip or you can slide. Watch out now, no? Them drunk driving people, yeah. Just hope somebody know they behind me because I drive slow in Jamaica. And they say if you drive slow in Jamaica, you're not supposed to dip on the road. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, I can't turn off now because yeah. And I hope nobody is in this damn driveway because yeah. And just like that, 2 minutes later, I reached my destination. Wind up the people them window. And come out the people them car. It's so foggy. Me bust my pants. Where's my slipper? This is too much for me. I can't manage. I'll be back. What? Everybody got like so. You're so stupid. Is it not working like last time?
Look on my head. You see my head, but me don't care. You know, say me don't care. So guys, them have me showing you the flavors. You want to see? See them? Them have lychee, dead by chocolate, all that. Oh, passion fruit, them get new flavor to rat seed. You understand? New flavor. No, catch the flavor, yeah. Stamina punch. That's for the men. Stamina punch.
So fresh, so light, so tasty. So fresh, so light, so tasty. I'm gonna get some watermelon.
Watermelon is good, people.
Yes, I'm gonna get some watermelon and passion fruit.
Want to taste that?
Oh my god.
So remember, say $350 a year.
Where my apple got extra. Look at that rich color. Yeah. So watermelon, pomegranate raspberry sorbet, and passion fruit. The best part is dressing.
Yes, cheesecake. Just take one piece of cheesecake for me. Understand?
You know, I want my cherries.
So beautiful, guys. Look at it.
I hope it's not $1,000. Why the strawberries so big?
Take cheesecake, even for me, if you don't want it.
Oh god. One piece. Look.
What then there's something there?
There's three. It's the lychee balls, mango.
Ew. Marshmallows? Oreo biscuit? Oreo?
No, I don't know.
Caramel? Take white chocolate, girl. Take white chocolate.
Marshmallows. What is these kind of sauces?
It's working. I thought it wasn't working. Okay. People, you see that's what you have in there? That is about $1,200.
No, it's not. You guys just don't understand. I want to try the mango.
She want to try everything. That's why I go reach 12.
Am I money? Am I money up here for?
No, me make up people. Yeah, me make up. Six, so then put it on the scale, and so you come and get the price. You understand? Shall look for the 643.
You guys, we have it in Canada, okay? We have it. It's called Menchie's. It's the same concept. $6.49, right? Okay. Oh, okay.
Take a yellow spoon.
You need a spoon too?
Yes, I need a spoon too because I'm going to eat
one
too.
cheesecake.
And something else what's inside here.
Gonna go with it?
Yes.
Maybe come up?
No, that's fine. Thank you.
I store these at my place. So no, miss two in my kitchen right now, same color.
The grapes? Oh, so perfect. Did you also didn't come out yet? Patrick, can you hold this for 1 second, please? Just un momento, por favor. Thank you so kindly. And, now we're just waiting for our pizza and our KFC. Yeah, thank you. Just waiting for the pizza and KFC now. Thanks. Here, take your cheesecake, please. I don't want to.
Wait, no? Hold on, I have things in my... Can you hold it?
Guys, passion fruit was really good.
Mommy?
What does my camera look like that? Anyways, guys, we're going out. And we're going out. So yeah, we're going out and trying to get ready. I need to shave my armpits. I mean, it's not tray bad because I did shave them for my birthday. So it's not so bad. But we're also rushing because we gotta meet the person with our tickets. And this girl's bathing right now. God help us. Help us. But I'll see you guys when we're ready. Okay? Bye. Lord. Where light I go? So yes, we're in the car. Shut up. So actually, okay, so we're going to this party. It's called Igloo, and it's like impy skimpy wear. So we had to wear like bath suits and ting. So I hope we look cute. Hopefully I can take some pictures at the party. If not, I will insert pictures if I don't get to video at the party. But yeah, that's where we're right now. I'm gonna know why them stop on Aguana and all these things on the blood clot road right now. Like, what the hell me want to go wind up myself and get wet if me have to get wet, you understand? But we're so cute now. We're so cute. So sister. And we're partying together. It's been like almost a year. Katie had come on married, man. Come on.
Yo, it's going to be up like
7, yeah. She hasn't been out in a long time. I mean, I just went out for my birthday, but it's been a long time since I partied in Jamaica. So, and when we go out with these people, we're always frost. Ever frost. And she have work on morning. Me have to go meet her work on morning. Like, all these things, you understand? So, see what we... We're just hoping that we get there safe and sound and we reach back safe and sound.
I told my live alarm to wake me up, so hopefully he does, you know?
And I'll set my alarm. Cause yeah, you know? So yeah. Anyways, catch you guys later. The party, guys. Igloo. Impy skimpy. Can't really see the outfits then. Yeah. How we set out. You see me? Oh, it's so cute. Miss me cute though. Like, thumbs up the video if you think me cute. Me cute dogs. Gideon. You think always up down?
Always
up down. That's my sister, you guys. I love her. Oh my god. The moments that I live for, I swear, I love it here. I'm so happy I'm doing something now. I was beginning to think I was gonna have a boring trip because the rain is honestly pissing me off. It's raining every single damn day. Lipstick, fountain? No? Okay, alright. Look more here. I'm not higher than him. Nope, I am not. Sorry, Popcorn, I love you, but me don't like the line there.
No J.O.B. Got some J.O.B.
I'm in Jamaica, guys, and it's raining. I'm never sober, higher than the devil. Sorry, see our backside tomorrow, Robbie. Show him. They can't see it. Yes! Oh my God! What you know about pressure? What you know about pressure? What you know about? This guy won't leave me alone. Oh my God! Kenio, seriously? Why'd you put it up? Wait, put it down? Oh my God! Well, you know about pressure? Like, you're giving me blood pressure right now. Real thugs never worry about pagan, because we destiny don't plan. Sometimes we not gonna live long. The other say a judgment road to live by next steps and it's held by soul. Yet our jobless if it's shaped by winning song. Hey, that me hear enough say. If you stay where the crop stay, we try every little thing to stop the success. I know the road rugged and rough, we not give up. The motor struggles when we face, man, I think give thanks in a real life. In a real life. No one on the field in a real life. In a real life. No few system in a reach nowhere, but still man they are survive. Pew, 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 pew. In a real life. I'm doing one day play that shot. No more rock boy, I can't get the la la la. You like it, right? I told you I love that song, yo. My goal is to live my dreams. Hey, come on, play the tune. Kentucky up.
Put up your cup in the ear, put the glass, cheers in the prayer.
Yes, Diana, come on, come on. Yes. Thank you, Sugar Flow. Sorry, guys. Put up Miss Sister Annie in the ear. See me true friend there. See me true friend there. Put your hand up in the ear. I bet you don't have a true friend like me. Can you big up yourself? Anyway, big up yourself. Get up and I study very evil. That's all them can do. Them can't do me nothing. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. No for them a pray and them a penny way. Them not gonna see. Them not gonna see. Them not gonna see we pop though. It's funny how them can't pretend to see. No for them a pray, but them not gonna see. Them not gonna see. Them not gonna see. And some guy can't friend again. Not friend again. Patrick, me love you, yeah? You're more than a friend.
leave. I am actually oh, no, you guys can see my back. No, they can't see it. No, come on. They said yo, one girl party said she wants to see a dance, so dance for the girl. Come. Credit alone done.
She tell me if you know, I credit alone done. She tell me if you know, I credit alone done. All the girls never can dash up, dash up. Alone done. I credit alone done. I should.
You can't see the money, yeah? Oh, my ass is like out right now. Like, pay me what you want me. Pay me what you want me. Like blah blah blah. And empty promises. The more broke boy can't get me. Ooh la 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 la. No matter how you cute and you fuck sweet, you better carry money come to get me. And if you me try move your blood clean, the more broke boy can't get me. Ooh la 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 la. No matter how you cute and you fuck sweet, you better carry money come to get me. And if you me try move your blood clean. Look how far we are come from.
Sometimes I'm ball of my girl, but I like.
Sick of it. Woman, if you bet, then you say you come back again. I don't remember the days when I want to impress us. We are eat and gone and we bed. So you start give me attitude. You really wanna do me that? After me tell you something love you, girl. Yeah, buy a Benz and a house for you. Everything with me, yeah. Yes, pick up yourself, summer. Yes, yes. Y'all do what you want to do. Want to come fast time? Do what you
Oh my god, they just played my song. I hope they play it again. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, help me, Lord. Jesus, oh god. Thank you, thank you. Don't touch me.
What a positive again.
Oh man.
Easy access, 26 a match.
Mega take that.
Yeah.
Don't burn me with a spliff, eh?
I'm not burning. Listen,
See, it's the pressure for the
yeah, for the Igloo. Right now, I'm for the ladies, them. Over Canada, same me. Yeah.
Don't think you're cute same way.
I'm cute, same me, you know? Yes, my teeth are pretty.
Oh my god, this man said his teeth are pretty, okay?
Teeth is more than one. Tooth is one. Okay. I should really try.
Oh fuck.
I just tell them to good luck.
Hi guys, so we're going home now.
Yes, we're going home. I'm gonna go eat
We're
the
going
one
home
slice
to
of
one
pizza.
slice of pizza. and ting, and you know, all these things, and it was a good vibes.
Yes,
and
we
the
had
rain just
fun.
washed we out and all these things,
But we had fun.
I had a great
Bye,
time.
Wizzy.
Thanks, Keneal.
You're welcome. Bye, Wizzy.
Bye.
Bye, Wizzy. Bye.
We are home. I wanted to show you guys my dinner, but my phone was charging and I don't consume most of it, so I'm sleeping over at my sister's house for the first time. So exciting. Ooh, excuse me, I'm a Belge. That means that the food never poison. That's what Marlon says every time he eats. Every time after he eats what I cook for him, and he belches, he's always like, "You never poisoned me." Like, why would I want to poison you? You think I have the strength and time to want to freaking poison you? Like, who are you to poison? Say goodbye. Tell him after I get my tree pitney, then him can say, "Oh, you want to poison me," but not before. But yeah, I'm tired. I went to bed. This girl has to be up in like 4 hours. I don't know how that's gonna work because I'm leaving at 10:50. But anyways, that's for tonight. That's for tonight. That's it for tonight. Have a good night, sugar plums. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.